Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to walk you through what I do for a treatment wash day. So I am prepping my hair because I have to retouch my roots and also color correct. Today I'm going to be using the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. This is very similar to Olaplex 3, but it also has some protein in it. I'm gonna do a separate treatment. This is the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. I don't have the second step, which is the conditioner. I'm going to use my favorite deep conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Mask. If you've been watching my videos and maybe forgot to subscribe, make sure to click the button and notification bell. I've been posting videos weekly and I cover beauty, lifestyle, and DIY. So welcome to the community. Let's go ahead and get started with this hair. I just went and wet my hair in the sink. My hair right now, it's at hydral fatigue. If you have high porosity hair or bleach damaged hair, it just soaks up moisture and water very quickly. It's very thirsty. If you expose it to too much water too frequently, it can get hydral fatigue. Now the signs of hydral fatigue are very similar to the signs of thirsty hair, so it's very confusing to know what's going on. I have not done a protein treatment in about a month. There has to be a balance of protein and moisture, and with high porosity hair, that's a difficult thing to achieve. So the first product I'm going to use is the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. This is a bonding treatment for weak, damaged hair. It is blended with superfoods and it's designed to make your hair look strong and elastic. This retails for $28 to $29 and this has 8 fluid ounces, so a lot more than Olaplex number 3. Instructions state that you're supposed to wash your hair before you apply it. I have used it only on dirty hair and I haven't had any problems with it. So I'm gonna section off my hair to make sure that the product covers every single strand. It smells really good. I have a lot of breakage here at the nape of my neck, so I'm fully saturating every strand. I let the bond curl work its magic for 30 minutes and then I jump in the shower. The shampoo, I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It's one of my favorites and it is made for natural, chemically processed or heat-styled hair. Now it's time for the Aphogee protein treatment. I'm going to separate my hair to make sure that all strands are saturated in the protein. So I will apply it at the root and then it kind of drips down toward the ends. So I'll just pull it down, especially around the face because that area is very weak. This is an intensive protein treatment. I have used this product for years. It stops hair breakage, rebuilds hair structure for 6 weeks, ideal for processed or natural hair. You know, it's not pleasant to apply it on the hair because it is very sticky and it will burn if you have any type of scratch. I always use this when I do bleach process right afterwards and it just makes the world of a difference. I'm going to dry the protein into my hair. It normally takes me around 45 minutes to do this, but you just want to dry it in until it forms a cast. Do not run your fingers through your hair. Your hair will break if you do that. Now that it's done its job, I'm going to jump in the shower and rinse it off. You don't have to shampoo it out. And then you deep condition. I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration. You can leave it on for 5 minutes. They do recommend if you want like a really deep condition to leave it on for about 30 minutes and you can put heat to make it work more efficiently. We've done the treatments. I just detangled my hair and I'm going to add a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is the Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In Detangler. It's one of my favorites when I don't want to add protein in my styling products. I'm just applying it mids and ends. I have a Denman brush here and I normally just brush my hair after applying product. So it's been about 2 days since I've done the treatment. Normally, I will diffuse my hair to just give the curls a little more bounce. The point of the treatment wash day really is just to repair the hair and give it the rest it needs before I have to do bleach processing again. But I did want to show you guys what my hair is looking like. It is not going to be an immediate change. You can just do your part, feeding your hair good things to repair it slowly. It truly needed that protein. It feels a lot stronger. It doesn't break when I pull on individual strands. It does have some coconut oil run through the ends. I like to do that when it is fully dry if I don't seal the moisture in from the deep conditioning. As the days go by, the the hair will release that moisture and it'll get very dry. So that is it for today's treatment wash day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful and you got some ideas if you're going through it with your own hair, either bleach damage or color damage. I feel you. If you liked it, make sure to share and leave a comment down below if you have a must-have product either for bleach damage or just color process damaged hair. So again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.